Completely clock one permanent. Only one time. In your initial block executed zero simulation time. No? See, only one time because no forever. Please tell me you people attended earlier.
Sir, after TP put a forever at 16th line and then put a forever loop there, sir. Instead of putting
Where?
this. Put it at 16, sir.
Yeah.
No. Sir, you just put forever. Write forever. You don't need that comment, sir. Forever. And then one more at 23 write end, sir. That's it.
23 end means?
So forever.
Already this initial block. Forever?
For forever you need end, sir.
Sir, forever begin. For begin, sir, you write, sir. Forever begin.
Yeah, that forever after the begins. And similarly, that 6 to 9 you have to comment, sir. Everything you have to remove.
Which one?
This
one, huh?
Yeah, the 6 to 9, yes.
Lavanya, I will listen this voice now only, then I will explain task and function. You people only do yourself tomorrow. You only explain tomorrow. What about Vardhini? Earlier you completed third assignment. Now what are you doing right now?
I'm in 6th assignment, sir.
Just third assignment completed. Just 10 days back you completed. After 7 months I will ask you. Nothing you will know.
No, sir, I will remember.
Then what I will do right now?
Sir, it has come, sir.
See, what is on time? See, 8 means 80%. You will take 2. See, Anand. What I done here? Because I am taking here in the procedural block clock 0. I am 0 simulation time executed now. This initial block executed 0 simulation time. This block also executed 0 simulation time. Whatever first is came now, that only my tool will acknowledge it. I am earlier mentioned hash 5 on off. This one I kept it now. Whatever this statement you forget. This reason no one tell me right now. Because this is my initial block. This is also one initial block. Both are executed 0 simulation time. This is also my clock executed starting with 0. This is also starting with 0. How my tool will acknowledge? Both are executed 0 simulation time. So I will need not record for this clock. Still confused regarding this one? If I will take 30 time on, 70 time off. So that only I am explaining one more time. You people study procedure block. What type of procedure block is there? this PPT regarding this one. This PPT is good. Always initial. Procedural block working plays vital role. See, I am passing only 30 here right now. 30 only on, 70 off. You people do tomorrow yourself with jitter and same thing, frequency and duty cycle. I will explain right now task and function. I will explain prototype of task, how it will call. I will take two difference. I will send notes in WhatsApp group to your number. Every September batch, you people will study that one. See 30% on, 70% off. We want to take this plot and log this cursor and check it on. This is 30% off, 70% off. Okay, I hope that all people understand. Right now I am explaining task. Why task came to in this very long topic? Task and function. See, for example, I am taking two values here. C is equal to A plus B. What it refers? C is my output. This A and B are variables. I will take here 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. This operation will be executed in task as well as function. Whatever this operation is going on, C is equal to A plus B, I will do this operation using task as well as function. Coming to very log, function, I am writing function prototype here. Function, return type means RT, I will keep to RT. Return type means data type, redshift, bit, integer, byte, like that. This is function name. In the bracket means parenthesis, we pass input with the size, whatever size, vector size. For example, 3 down to 0. And variable vector name, A or B, that one. Input. Only input, only passing. Input 3 down to 0 and B. Whatever is there, we are implementing code in the begin end. Begin end, end function. Function prototype, end function. This is, I am calling here function name in the begin end. Okay, I will take one GM, then I will explain. I will explain function dot way. Okay, F1. I will take notes to some notes here. What is function prototype? You people study yourself that task function declaration. I will explain only two. You will study PPT so you can get function. I will write in function prototype. Prototype also meaning same, syntax also same, and declaration. Same meaning. In interview, people ask a declaration. All three meanings are same. So function, prototype, syntax, declaration, all are same only. Function, return type, function name, and input arguments. I am written in the beginning my logic. Begin and end function. This is function prototype. I am writing here function calling. How I will call function calling here? This is function prototype. Function calling through function name. Whatever output is coming now, output is equal to function name and input arguments, whatever is there. We are calling function in the procedure block. This is function prototype. This is function calling. We are calling my function in the procedure block. Initial begin end or always begin end. I am writing in the begin end. What you are writing? Code. What is function name? Input arguments, whatever is there. This is called code or functionality or logic or functionality. Which type of functionality you are doing? Addition or subtraction or multiplication? This will tell. Manideep, are you understand what is function prototype? I will write an example here. Function. I have taken data type integer. Function name I will take add. What is input? I will take A, like this PPT, the paint. C is equal to A plus B, na? I am passing this one. Input A. Only inputs arguments are passing in my function. Coming to task, both are begin and end function. What is function name? Add. This is temporary variables only. A of t. Whatever is passing in the arguments, this is temporary variable only. Add A of t plus B of t. This is function prototype. This is example I have written here. How function calling? What is function name? What is function output? C. C is equal to add A comma B. We could not pass here temporary variables. We are directly connected to port 2 declaration. Manideep, are you understand? Still confused up to here. I will type here corresponding to this. This is example of function. I will take here module. Only in the, we are implementing in a test bench only. Module to be end module. I will take a rigid data type 2 down to 0, A comma B. I will take one more variable, output variable. This is 2 down to 0. I am assigning C here. What is my, tell me what is function prototype? Tell me right now. Function prototype. Prototype means this is calling. I will kept here, please. Don't confuse. This is example. This is prototype up to here. This is function calling. Based on that, I will implement here. What is function prototype here? Function, okay. Tell me people know function. I will take integer. Reg also. Okay. See what is coming. Okay. Function return reg. Then function name what? What is input? What is my size? You will take this input argument with size along with the name. What you name kept? Name is that variable name, not function name, variable name. See, whatever I am written here, that only I am implementing in design part, test bench part. Input A. This is variable name B. In the beginning, I am reading functionality, begin and end function. What I will do here? This is temporary variable. What is my function name? Okay, now see whatever I am written here, corresponding this example, I am on doing this only. Right now, declaration part is completed. How I will call function? Okay. C is equal to add of. Okay. What values I am passing in A comma B? I will give random. A comma B $random. After random, I need to store some time delay, na? So kept to time delay. How many times you need to repeat? You not mention na AB values directly passing. I will take 12 times. 12 times repeat. Then 2 begins for 2 ends. Closing here. I want to display now. I need to display for what is my value. A is equal to percentage 0D, B is equal to percentage 0D, C is equal to percentage 0D, A comma B comma C. See, up to here, can anyone doubt online students? Whatever I am implementing in mod function, Jaydeep, I am passing here A comma B, not this temporary variable. Whatever I am declaring in the module declaration, that only I am calling here, not this temporary variables. So that only I kept it temp underscore T means temp. మనది పని అదే వాణి అర్థమైందా వాణి ఇంకోసారి పని దీప అర్థమైందా ఆఫ్లైన్ సౌమ్య అర్థమైందా చెప్పాను ఇంకోసారి same thing only I will do function. I will do copy paste. I will do comment and do function. Only output are passing in declaration. These arguments. I will run right now.
Sir, end module.
End module is there. Only I am written in the test bench library work. Right now I am running. Same thing, this addition operation I will do using task. Then I will explain fork join. నువ్వు టాస్క్ చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు, నేను టాస్క్ చేస్తాను చెప్పు నువ్వే. మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడుతున్నావు చెప్పేది అనుకున్నా. రేపు నువ్వే చెప్తావు చూడు. అసైన్మెంట్ 4 రెండో క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను, అర్రే గురించి ఉంటుంది, రెండోదో సంథింగ్ మూడోది నువ్వే వచ్చి చెప్పాలా, జాగ్రత్త నేర్చుకో. పేరేం పేరు, నంబర్ చెప్పు. Okay. Same. Same, only 0 because I kept it this one Regina data type. Understand Soumya, Ramya? I kept Regina so that I kept integer data type. I am doing addition operation of see 4 plus 4 what 8, but it will showing 0. 0 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 1 no. So what I will do here? I will keep the function name is reg also, integer also 32 bit size. In the 32 bit I will declare only 3 bits 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So I will declare my data type as integer. Then I will run. Till 4 plus 4 it will come in 0. What I will do? What is my C variable size? 3 down to 0 means? Can you understand? Below 7 only values came. After 7 not coming. Then what I will do? I will declare my output size more. Just I will keep 3 down to 0. 2 power 3, 8. See, this is value 1, please understand. How many variables? 0, 1, 2, 3 na. This is 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 8. 2 power 4 8 what? Up to 16 it will valid. Beyond 16 not taking values. Okay na? See, I will keep 8 here and run. This 3 na, okay. Say 8. Up to 16 your values is coming. Because I will increase my size now. See 2 power 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. You don't like that, this kept like this. 2 power 4. This is value. 16. Up to 16 your value is coming. Beyond 16 you need to increase your size, vector size. Up to you, here can anyone difficult to understanding this function declaration and function calling? This is function calling. function calling is happening in the appraisal block. This is where this is function declaration. Record declaration. Here now. Integer request range.
So after declaring reg, you have to give that size, and then you run it. It will run.
Same. What is the dot, Ramesh? Tell me one more time. Completed without. Now tell me, Lavanya, what is your dot?
Sir, before function, write the files of the reg, like 3 comma 3 to 0 reg add. It will work. Before reg, you give this size. Not that. Sir, if you give after, it will become array, right?
Tell me, Lavanya, what happened here?
Okay.
I am said here data type. I am said here function. What I am said in function prototype? Return type. Why you are passing this? I am said it. I am written examples also. Return type need to mention. You passing directly this one vector search. You invest one language.
Okay, sir, I got it.
Your free time. This is a data type need to record. You said directly passing here some value. How it will take? Okay, up to here, can anyone doubt regarding function? వాణి అర్థమైందా వాణి చెప్పాలని వెళ్తామా టాస్క్ చెప్తాను సరే రేపు చూసుకొని నోట్స్ పెడతాను రైట్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ ఇంప్లిమెంటింగ్ టాస్క్ సేమ్ థింగ్ ఐ విల్ డు కాపీ I will don't comment here. Just the task is simple here. This is I am doing task here. Only output only coming in the parenthesis. Task. Same thing. Whatever is there now, you do same thing. Just this only difference. Task. There is no data type here. Directly task name. I will keep here task. End task. Then here same thing. Here nothing will happen. In this, what is my output here? Output C of T. I am calling here C of T. Where I will call my task name? How I will call? Okay, now this is all difference. In function name, I am assigning output variable to my whatever values is coming in above this one. You people don't do this add in the parenthesis A plus B. You don't do this type of activities. Already add operation came. Add A plus A, add is equal to A of A underscore T plus B underscore T. This add operation, assign this, whatever sum is assigned to add. Same thing, this add. Whatever values is came now, that are assigned to this add. In the calling, I am assigning to my output variable C is equal to add function name. Whatever arguments, original all the arguments are passing here. This is temporary. Still anyone doubt? This is function task calling. Task calling add task name. What is task name add? What is input output arguments? A comma B comma C. This is my functionality or code or logic. Which logic are you implemented? Addition. What is my output C? C is equal to A of t plus B of t. Then I will check and run. I will task. I will increase. I also will decrease repeat loops. Same thing. You need to earlier I am also explained task function and send some notes also. See task values came 4 plus 4 8 0 1 1 1 4 plus 5 4 2 plus 2. Just it output came. We are calling task name is equal to is not coming here. Task name all arguments are passing here. Up to here, can anyone doubt? Please, I'll explain above function. Here task. Please, everyone look at once. I will explain fork join thing with the basic example right now. What is fork? What is join? I will explain within 2 minutes. You people note down this one.
हर पार्टी अपने रूप से अपनी तैयारी करती है और चुनाव में मात्र अब 4-5 महीना रहा है।
पर्यटन विभाग के सौजन्य से जिला प्रशासन न अन्य व्यवस्था जिला प्रशासन द्वारा की जा रही है। महोत्सव के आयोजन को लेकर की जा रही तैयारी एवं हैंगर का निर्माण कार्य आज से प्रारंभ किया गया है। महोत्सव के अवसर पर वैतरणी घाट मार्ग पर रोशनी की पर्याप्त व्यवस्था सुनिश्चित करने को कहा गया। इस अवसर पर बनाए जाने वाले तौर नालंदा जिले के भागन बीघा ओपी अंतर्गत मोरा तालाब सूर्य मंदिर के समीप स्थित छठ घाट पर सोमवार की सुबह चैन स्नेचिंग की घटना हुई। इस घटना में 2 महिला चैन स्नेचर को भीड़ ने रंगे हाथ पकड़ लिया। सूचना मिलते ही घाट पर पहुंची पुलिस ने दोनों महिलाओं को हिरासत में ले लिया और थाने ले गई। घटना के संबंध में बताया जाता है कि छठ घाट पर
No, I will explain fork join. I will explain. నేను ఫోర్క్ జాయిన్ 5 లైన్స్ లో చెప్పేస్తాను ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు సార్
पुलिस ने बताया कि दोनों महिलाएं बेतिया जिला की रहने वाली हैं, जो वर्तमान में पटना के बख्तियारपुर में रहती हैं। प्रारंभिक पूछताछ में दोनों ने बताया कि वह भिक्षाटन के लिए नालंदा आई थी।
explain fork join close okay fork join coming to 7th assignment. I hope that online people understand whatever I'm explaining task function this prototype earlier I explained clock mapping. You people do jitter
बढ़ चढ़कर भाग लेने का है।
అటెండెన్స్ కదా ఓకే చెప్పండి నెంబర్ అమ్మాయిలతో వెళ్ళిపోయినారా నెంబర్ చెప్పండి ప్లీజ్ స్టే ఆన్లైన్ పీపుల్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ అటెండెన్స్
कैसे होती रे ये सेब कैसे होती रे प्लस कर दे रे
ये थोड़ी हुआ ऐसे
1 to 10 anyone there tell me 1 to 10 8 online people 1 to 10 anyone there attendance
7 sir.
सर 14
7 okay
सर 14
hey wait please you also check your attendance progress in online also the people are checking in office ticket okay 1 to 10 anyone completed 7 then 10 to 20
14 सर
18
14 सर
14 20 20 to 30
26 sir.
26 okay this people are getting 30 to 40 31 okay 37 ఎంత 37
34 sir.
30 34 okay
36 sir. You kept in 35.
oh you know why you absent last 2 days
Saturday only sir. My laptop microphone is there. Speaker is not working. Whatever you are doing, I am not unable to listen.
this Taslima also attended I know I saw his name his mic is not working he sent message to me
So he went to repair shop. He did not given in the by afternoon, sir. That's why.
still anyone there Vani also there no? Amarjit Singh are you there or
No, sir. It's not there today.
okay
Sir, again we have to submit in attendance form online for lab.
yes sir yes, submit this is for my reference only I need to know what is the students progress now also I kept here you submit
Last week I did not submit it, sir. Because you taken the attendance.
ये है सोन भंडार जिसमें माना जाता है कि देश का 44% सोना एक पत्थर के पीछे छुपा हुआ है। पर लोगों का मानना ये भी है कि जो इसके द्वार पर लिखी हुई शांति को पढ़ेगा उस दरवाजे को खोल पाएगा। पर यहाँ पर
दोस्तों मिडिल क्लास फैमिली के लिए 70 गज का एक मकान दोस्तों मिडिल क्लास फैमिली के लिए 70 गज का एक मकान बिक रहा है बहुत कम रेट के अंदर। रेट सुनने के बाद आप जो हो जाएंगे। रेट मैं बताऊंगा इस रील के अंदर, लेकिन उससे पहले इस रील को लाइक कर दीजिए और शेयर कर दीजिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ जिसको ये मकान चाहिए। दिल्ली एनसीआर के अंदर ये मकान रहने वाला है। एक बार आपको अंदर लेके चलता हूँ। ये पूरा हॉल रहने वाला है। इसके अंदर 4 सीलिंग आपको मिल जाएगी।
तो आपकी भी तो शादी हुई है, मेरी तो शादी पहले भी हुई।
I will explain. Those people are completed up to 6th assignment. Now, you people study 4 Pujai. Up to 6th assignment, you people complete within 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Then only I will explain 4 Pujai. I am ending right now. Ready? చూడు ఎంత టైం తీసుకున్నా ఇప్పుడే చూసాను నేను బయట నీళ్ళు ఆడడానికి తర్వాత